Hi students, this is AJ sir. Let's study English language chapter subject-verb agreement, which is asked as fill in the blanks and could be quite confusing to us whose first language may not be English. I'm going to describe some rules, give you some examples, ask you a few questions where you can pause and guess the answer and then wait for the solution and explanation I give. Subject-verb agreement. So we have to fill the blank with a verb such that it agrees with the subject. The answer should be compatible with the sentence. With sufficient training, these rules should become so instinctive that without thinking much about it, the correct answer should come from within. Let's start with an easy sentence. Sudha and her sister dash done the mischief. Have done or has done? Well, it's gonna be have done because it's plural. So whenever and is used, obviously it will be a plural in that sentence. Next. Every man and every woman dash frisked. Was frisked or were frisked? Every man and every woman. Well, since every is used here, each, every, this will be singular. And so the verb will be was, not were. Even though there is an and out here, since every is being used, or each man and each woman was frisked, not were frisked, because the subject is considered to be singular. Next, the dancer and singer dash dead. Is dead or are dead? The dancer and singer is dead. The same person was a dancer and singer. There is only one article here, the. If it was the dancer and the singer dash dead, then the answer would be are dead, because here we have two thers and hence they are plural subjects. Two people died. Bread and butter dash his staple diet. Is his diet or are his diet? Bread and butter. And is being used. But bread and butter go hand in hand always. It's a singular subject. So is his bread and butter. Law and order dash the main problem. Law and order are the main problem or is the main problem? Is the main problem, because law and order, it's considered to be a single subject. Next, what if you see words like or, nor, either or, neither nor in the sentence? For example, neither you nor I dash informed. Was informed, were informed. Neither you nor I was informed. Singular subject. Whenever neither, either is being used, it's a singular subject. Either Mohan or Anurag dash resigned. Have resigned? No. Has resigned. Either is used, so singular subject. These are the rules of English. We have to follow them. If you don't like them, if you want to change these rules, take a time machine, go back in time thousands of years ago and maybe influence the development of this beautiful language. But what if in the sentence you have a singular and plural subjects and connected by the words nor, or, neither, or neither nor? For example, Hema or her friends dash made the painting. Has made or have made the painting? Well, which subject is nearer to the verb, to the blank? Friends. Always when you have choice between singular and plural, in such sentences, write the plural subject nearer to the blank. So it will be Hema or her friends has made the painting? No. Have made the painting. Because you had a choice between two subjects, Hema, singular, and her friends, plural. So the plural wins in this case. Another example, neither the director nor his employees dash present. Are present? No. Were present, because employees is plural, even though director is singular. Next, you and he dash repairing the car. You and he dash repairing the car. Are repairing the car or is repairing the car? It will be are, plural. Neither he nor you dash to blame. Neither he nor you is to blame or are to blame. It's singular, both of them are singular. But here again the verb should agree with the nearby subject, which is you. Neither he nor you are to blame. So you was closer to the blank, so focus on that to answer it. The police dash looking for clues. Police is looking? No, the police is always plural. Remember this. It's a collective noun. It is treated as a plural subject. The police are looking for clues. The staff dash given a warning. The staff has given? No, the staff have given, because staff comprises of many people collectively. So it is considered as a plural. 1 dozen bananas dash 50 rupees. 1 dozen bananas costs? No, cost 50 rupees. A dozen bananas is a collective of 12 bananas. On the other hand, there are some subjects which are always singular. For example, good news dash always welcome. We don't have new, it's always news, but it is singular. Good news are always welcome. Good news is always welcome. Politics dash a dirty game. Politics are? No. Politics is a dirty game. We don't have politic. It's always politics, but yet it is singular. Physics dash an interesting subject. Physics are? No. Physics is an interesting subject. Yeah, you may not agree that it's interesting, but we're talking about the English in this sentence, not the truth behind it. Now, what if the sentence has with, together with, as well as? The teacher with all the students dash signed the letter. Has or have? The teacher with all the students has signed the letter. Who has signed the letter? The teacher and the students. Students is plural, agreed. And students is closer to the blank, agreed. But there is this word with. So whenever you say with or along with, as well as, then always focus on the first subject, which is the father one. So the teacher signed the letter, has signed the letter with all the students. What if I take it the other way around? The students with their teacher dash to work hard. Needs to work hard or need to work hard? The students with their teacher need to work hard. Teacher is closer to the blank, it's singular, but there is a with here, so focus on the first subject, the students, which is plural. So the students with their teacher need to work hard. I am a man who dash popularity. Who hate popularity or hates popularity? It will be singular. Hates popularity. Amit is one of those men who dash advantage. Takes advantage or take advantage? Amit is one of those men who take advantage. Amit is singular, but the sentence is he is one of those men, that is plural, who take advantage. So not takes advantage, take advantage. The jury has given its verdict, or the jury have given its verdict. Well, jury is a collective noun. It is treated as a singular subject. So has given its verdict, not have given. However, if they did not work as a team, they did not work as a collective, then we can treat it as a plural subject. For example, the jury dash divided in the opinion. They had an argument among themselves, the judges of the jury. So they are not a collective now. So the jury was divided on the opinion, or the jury were divided. Well, it will be were in this case, because now they are acting like a plural subject. The same thing can be true for, let's say, family. The family is going for a picnic, and the family were fighting among themselves. So there was no unity. So were, not is. Gulliver's Travels dash an interesting book. Are an interesting book, because travels is plural, but Gulliver's Travels is a proper noun, so it's a singular subject. Gulliver's Travels is an interesting book. Yes, indeed it is, because when he lands at this island, he finds himself to be a giant, and the people living on that island were very tiny. A large number of women dash present. A large number of women were present, plural. Now you may say a large number is singular. Whenever you have words like a number of, majority of, a lot of, we always use plural in such, plural verbs in such sentences. A majority of voters are illiterate or is illiterate? Are illiterate. A lot of books are lying on the floor, not is lying on the floor. What about lots of water dash wasted? A lot of water are wasted? No. Here it will be is wasted, because water is uncountable. So it will be treated as a singular. On the other hand, lots of people dash on the road. Is on the road? No. Are on the road, because people are countable. Plenty of water dash required. Is required. Plenty of oranges dash required. Are required. A couple of changes dash required. Are required. Now, error due to proximity. It's a very common error, so avoid it. The price of the cars dash risen. Has risen or have risen? The price of the cars dash risen. Cars is plural, it is closer to the blank. So should we use plural? The price of the cars have risen? No. What has risen? Not the cars. The price has risen. So focus on the price. That is the subject to focus on. And the price is singular. So the price has risen. The price of the cars has risen, not have risen. Even though cars is plural, the focus should not be on that. The verb should agree with the subject, the price. Similarly, the cost of mangoes dash high. The cost of mangoes are high, is high. So let's see if you can answer these questions. He and I dash great friends. Are great friends. Rice and curry dash my favorite dish. Is my favorite dish. Each boy and girl dash a separate report. Make or makes. Each boy and girl makes a separate report. Not only his wife, but even his mother finds or find him selfish. Not only his wife, but even his mother finds him selfish. Not only but even, so singular subject. Because both the subjects are singular, take the verb as singular. Jack or his brothers dash to be blamed. Are to be blamed or is to be blamed. Or has been used. So go for the the subject closer to the blank, which is brothers, which is plural. So Jack or his brothers are to be blamed. Now mathematical statements. This is something you have to remember. 2 times 3 is 6. So multiplication, singular. 4 and 4 are 8. So addition, plural. The store, in addition to the farms, were sold or was sold? Well, in addition to. So focus on the first subject. The store, singular. The store, in addition to the farms, was sold. The attitude of these people is hostile or are hostile? People, plural. But the attitude, we're talking about the attitude here, singular. So the attitude of these people is hostile. Anybody who cheats is dishonest or are dishonest? Anybody, so that's singular, is dishonest. 10 years is too long or are too long? 10 years. Well, surprise, surprise, it is. 10 years is considered as a singular subject. 10 years is a long time, not are a long time. You may feel that are does not sound right, but we can't rely on sound, because what if you have an ear defect? 10% is good interest. 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees are a huge sum or is a huge sum? Is a huge sum. 40 hours is too much or are too much? Is too much. Neither of the applicants are fully qualified or is fully qualified? Neither. So that will be singular. Neither of the applicants is fully qualified. Hi students, if you found this video useful, press the like button. Also, to enroll for my online lectures or online test series, email me or message me on Instagram. Check the description for more information.